뭐야? 야!
You got this, buddy. No, he's gonna make it. Oh, shit.
Extra money and at least have some other rental income coming in.
You know what? It might be
like cost of living, modifiable rental income.
I'm not again. I love my bread. Hey, Timmy. Hey. Why are you touching my bread? Huh? Why are you touching my bread? You don't need to go poop. That is flaxseed. I need it. You do not. Where are you going?
Это же бак! О, зачем ты? Да как же? О!
Billy, no, back away from the power button. Billy, no, I can't keep explaining to the class that you turn off my computer every 10 minutes. They don't believe me anymore. Where you going? Look at me.